The Delta COVID-19 variant, which was first detected in India, is now spreading here in the U.S. COVID-19 variants are viruses that have changes known as mutations. These mutations enable the virus to spread more easily between people, or possibly to cause more severe infection or evade treatment. The Delta variant is concerning because it is highly contagious and spreads easily from person to person. It now accounts for about 1 in every 5 COVID-19 cases nationwide. And the Delta variant is present right here in Northern Virginia. The good news is that the COVID-19 vaccines being administered in the U.S. remain very effective against the Delta variant. These vaccines are particularly good at preventing hospitalizations and death from COVID-19 disease. We remain concerned, however, about individuals who are not vaccinated and communities where vaccination rates are lower. This highly contagious strain of COVID-19 continues to spread and bring with it the risk of illness, hospitalization, and death. The virus will continue to take advantage of any crack in our defenses. For those who have not yet gotten vaccinated, I urge you to do so. And please don't forget about the protective behaviors that have kept our communities safe throughout the pandemic. Staying home if you're sick, wearing masks or physically distancing in appropriate situations, and using good hand washing. Your actions are essential to keep us on the road to recovery from the pandemic.